Hello everyone. We all know that this going on time is very dangerous for us. We all know about coronavirus very well. But have you ever thought about corona warriors? So let us start thinking about them.
A person who show or has shown a vigor or a courage, or a person who is fighting against the evil is called a warrior.
A person who has been trained in medicine and who treats people who are sick is called a doctor.
And thank you doctors for all your hard work and support in this difficult time.
Your humility, kindness, and strength are greatly appreciated. Thank you, Doctor.
Person who is trained to look after sick or injured people are called nurse.
You all the nurses fighting the coronavirus on the front line. Thank you, nurse.
The official organization whose job is to make sure that people obey the law and to prevent the law and solve problems, crime, etc. is called the police.
Thank you for all the sacrifices you make every day so that our lives become better. Thank you, police. Stay safe, stay strong.
Municipal workers means a person who is not elected or appointed by officer. They are employed on a full part-time basis.
Thank you so much all the corona warriors for what you all are doing for us.
You have such an important job to do. I so admire all of you that you make this world better for us. Thank you all media workers.
You have such a important job to do. I so admire what you do. This makes our world a better place for all of us. Thank you, media workers.
Teacher means a person whose job is to teach, especially in schools and colleges.
Teachers, you always had faith in me when I didn't. Thank you for helping me throughout this year. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for guiding us.
I just wanted to give a big thank you
To everyone who are the heroes.
Of India right now.
That every second you are working.
Is deeply appreciated.
फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई, इसे साथ सारे यार होंगे, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया।